How to change card for Amazon Prime Video purchases. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to Amazon Prime Video website. After you are in the website, make sure to sign into your account first. Once you are logged in, head over to the Accounts and Settings page. After you are in the Accounts and Settings page, now in order to change the card for your Amazon Prime Video purchases, here at the bottom you can see the Set Payment Method option. Tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to this Your Payments page. If you already have a saved card in your account, it'll show up over here. If not, you can add a new credit or debit card from here. You need to provide your payment card details, enter the name of the card, your card number, provide the expiration date of your card, and you can simply tap on this Add Your Card button. If you have added multiple cards into your account, in order to change card for your purchases, you can select on a particular card, and in that card, you can tap on this checkbox which says Use as my default payment. So you can make one card as your default payment, and you can switch from one to another in order to change card for your Amazon Prime Video purchases. So that's it. That's how you can easily change card for your Amazon Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.